Welcome to ABC tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the mnemonic to remember staph infections. Staph infections are caused by staphylococcus bacteria. Staphylococcus is a genus of gram-positive bacteria in the family Staphylococcaceae from the order Bacillus. Under the microscope, they appear spherical, hence they are named cocci, and form grape-like clusters, hence the prefix staphylo, which is the Greek word for bunch of grapes. Staphylococcus include at least 40 species, with the most important one to clinicians being Staphylococcus aureus. These bacteria are commonly found on the skin or in the nose of many healthy people, and most of the time they do not cause problems or cause relatively minor skin infection. But staph infections can turn deadly if the bacteria invade deeper into the body, entering the bloodstream, the joints, the bones, the lungs, or the heart. The mnemonic for the infections caused by Staphylococcus aureus can be remembered using the mnemonic soft pains, which stands for skin infections such as boils, furuncles, and cellulitis, osteomyelitis, food poisoning, toxic shock syndrome, pneumonia, acute endocarditis, infective arthritis, necrotizing fasciitis, and sepsis. These are the infections caused by Staphylococcus bacterial infection.